Hey! This is Tate and the Key to Life family. We're hanging out here at Digital NoCo. Thanks for stopping by. We really appreciate your love and support for Key to Life, as well as NoCo through this crazy time, as well as the hemp industry in general. It's up to you guys putting in that hard blood, sweat, and tears out there on the field to make it happen. We really appreciate it. And it's going to continue to move the hemp industry forward in a positive manner. 2019 threw some curveballs, but we all know how to get past some of those curveballs and road bumps now. And we've got some solutions for you. So check out everything that we've got in our digital booth. We've got seeds, clones, moms, super starts of some of our really awesome CBD genetics like Meritage, Trump, Cherry Blossom that all have really good track records behind them, as well as some of our CBG varieties like Serenity. We also have our entire nutrient line that is complementary with our genetics to encourage not only the biggest, best yields, the most beautiful plants, but also a more probable cause of compliance. On top of that, we also have our super plug line and our mobile seed sowing line that goes with our super plugs to the farm and sows seed into plugs at the farmer's farm into their greenhouse ready to grow. We also have our incredible bulk hemp separator, which is designed to separate seed, stem, flower out of all of your biomass material, giving you multiple streams of categories for revenue and also increasing your extraction efficiency drastically. So we really appreciate you guys. We want you guys to be successful. Your success is our success. You feed your family just like we feed our family on having a successful year. So thank you guys for the hard work and the support for the hemp industry. Thanks for hanging out at Digital NoCo. We really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a good one.
Peace out.